meteorologist Nikki-Dee with KLBK's first warning weather.
Another day of clear skies all across the South Plains means another fantastic sunset. Take a look what's happening outside of our Covenant Sky Cam. We are just dealing with gorgeous skies. You're able to see the blues, the greens, the pinks, the yellows. Hey, it's West Texas, so soak it up. Just a beautiful evening on tap for us across the area. Now, as far as what we can expect, well, it's going to be another beautiful evening, but it's going to get downright chilly. We're clearing off when it comes to any amount of that cloud cover, not only here in West Texas, but that cold front that we dealt with, giving us, the blustery winds that everyone just loves. That's going to continue to push its way off towards the south and east, causing some rainfall into Little Rock, pushing into Shreveport. We didn't see any of that rain because remember yesterday dew points were so low, and today they still stayed rather low, but temperatures didn't go that far south, so that really helped out. Even though we had a cold front, temperatures were really not reflecting it too badly. 47 degrees right now in the hub, 39 in Amarillo. Oklahoma City coming in at 45, but check out what's happening down towards the southern extent. We're looking at 70 degrees off of the coastal plains, still right in the lower 60s. Now that looks like the place to be. In your backyard, of course, it's a lovely place. You're at home having a wonderful time, but it is a little on the cool side. Really seeing that cool air continuing to filter in from the north. 45 degrees in Toya as well as into Silverton. Dimmitt coming in at 41. Then you head to the hub. We're sitting at 47 degrees, and then just to the south, those temperatures are still right in the 50s, and simply because those wind speeds are sticking up just a little bit more so down to the south than they are in some locations to the north. And along with the winds, we are dealing with a slight wind chill, but tomorrow morning you won't be dealing too much with it because all these winds will die down overnight before another batch of winds push in by the noon hour. This time around, winds are going to be out of the southwest, a much nicer warming trend in place, really drawing in the moisture, but still we're going to be dealing with blowing dust and blowing dirt, so make sure that you are prepared for West Texas weather when it comes to our winds. These winds stick around with us into the 3, 4, 5, 6 o'clock hour, so if you are going to be headed out, make sure you do know the winds will stay up with you. Thursday, another windy day. Again, winds shift because we are dealing with another front pushing its way through, dealing strictly with northerly winds. Thursday is looking to be a lot similar to today. We're going to have that major wind chill in effect with us, along with those winds sticking around, temperatures going down. Then overnight we lose the winds and we lose any amount of heat that we dealt with because we're not going to be dealing with cloud cover tonight, tomorrow, and pushing further on into the weekend. Just a lot of sunshine across the map. So this is going to be some of those days that looks gorgeous when you're sitting inside your living room, you're looking outside, you see the sun. But in reality, especially in the early morning hours, it's extremely cold, such as tomorrow. 21 degrees for the low, getting up to 61 by the afternoon. Breezy conditions, but on the other hand, tomorrow's winds will be out of the west, southwest at 20 to 25 miles per hour. Gusts getting closer to 35 to 40. We continue to stay breezy on into Thursday, being more of a wind chill day. Yes, temperatures will flirt with the 60s, but it's not going to feel like it. We're going to feel as if we are in the low 50s in many locations, and some portions, especially to the north, will feel as if they are in the mid 40s. We really warm back up again on into Friday. The roller coaster ride does continue, and really when it comes to the number itself, it's not too much of a roller coaster ride. We're sticking around the 60s, but you've got to account for that wind because that's really what matters is the wind chill and how it feels like outside. So it is a roller coaster ride when it comes to the temperatures, when it comes to what it does feel like outdoors. And of course, the wind continues to stay with us. It's almost feeling a little more like spring outside, which I'm not complaining because I love the spring winds coming around with us. It's just a lot of fun.
Listen, Nikki-Dee, I love the spring.
Nikki-Dee loves the spring
But I don't like the spring winds.
I love the wind, and I have to give a special shout out to a friend I met today when I was getting my nails done, Miss Faith. I was talking to her, and she's got 5 children. She's always lived in Lubbock. She said, I just can't get over you like those winds. I said, yes, ma'am, I just enjoy it. But she was such a lovely conversation to have. So, Miss Faith, I hope you had a wonderful time at the salon.
I'll take all that hairspray out of your house, and then we'll see how much you like it. How about that?
Yeah.
See that face change? That's right.
Hairspray is my friend.
Yeah. Nikki-Dee, thanks so much. We appreciate it. Terry, it has been hard.